Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited and a little bit nervous for today's video. I'm going to be filming my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I did this video last year and it was really fun, and I was going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to get the Lucky Bag again this year. I did try and get the extra large Lucky Bag, but it sold out within like 20 seconds, which is really frustrating. So the Lucky Bag is $75, and then I believe you pay like $10 shipping, so it ends up being like $85 to $90-ish after taxes, and you don't know what you're gonna get inside. So here is my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I did have my husband open this and like take the plastic wrap off for me so that there's no like ruined surprises when I reach in today. I'm not like fiddling with like bubble wrap and stuff. So everything is in here. I'll let you guys have like a little sneak peek if you can even see. And we are just going to reach on in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really bad at surprises and things like that, so I have been like looking at other people's BoxyCharm or not BoxyCharm, Lucky Bag unboxings, and I've seen a couple of people get the Riviera palette from ABH, so I'm fingers crossed hoping I don't get the Riviera palette because I already have that palette and it's not my favorite. So I'm just gonna reach right in and feel what we feel. So first up, this is what I'm grabbing. This is from Juno & Co. and this is their Moonshine Miracle Cream. I will, when I go and edit, I will post the actual value of the products on the screen, but if I'm not mistaken, I think this is relatively expensive. I know there was someone who did, I can't remember if it was a sponsored post or not. It may have been Samantha Ravendall who was talking about this cream. I could be wrong on that, but they were saying that they really liked it. I've not tried anything from Juno & Co. I know I'm really interested in trying their makeup sponge, but I'm really excited, to try this out. The packaging on this is really, really interesting. So this is what the Miracle Moonshine Cream looks like, and I don't know if it says anything. So it says, that's the ingredients. Apply cream to face and neck. I'm sure it's just like a moisturizer. So really excited to give this a try. The packaging is really cool. I'm curious to see what color the actual, so it's just a regular white cream. I can't smell anything right now, so I couldn't tell you if it smells like anything, but the packaging almost reminds me of like a UFO. So I'm actually really excited about this. Again, if I'm not mistaken, I think I've looked into this before and it is relatively expensive. So really excited to have gotten this in my box. And I didn't see anyone else get the Miracle Moonshine Cream. I saw a couple people got the like actual sponge from Juno & Co. So I am really excited about this. Reaching back in, what are we gonna grab next? I have something in my hands. Here we go. Okay, so from Stila, I got a tri-pack of their Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow sets. This is the iridescent set. It comes with the shade Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish, which I have not tried any of these shades before to my knowledge. It looks like there's 2 shades in here I would probably get some use out of, and then one that I may not. So maybe I'll pass that along to my sister. Let me open this up. This is like I could take or leave this product. Stila Glitter and Glows I don't reach for the most often, and it's a product that I'm trying to kind of steer away from buying just because these do tend to dry out really quickly. They are a really nice and unique product. So this is in the shade Stylish. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it swatched right here. This is just like an iridescent golden sort of glow. And then the other one that I think I could get some use out of is this one right here in the shade Embellish. This looks like it might be more of like a pink tone shade. Yes. And this actually looks really pretty as well. There it is right there. I hope you can see it swatched. And then I'm not going to swatch the last one. The last one is like this, seems to be like coral shade, and I've had a shade like this in the past from Stila that I ended up decluttering just because I was not using this. So I'm not even going to open this, and I will just pass this along to someone else who can show it some love. All right, so next up, let's see. I'm just going to grab, this one feels heavy. Oh, interesting. Okay, so the palette that I ended up getting in my box is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I've actually never tried one of Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palettes before, but I will be honest, Blue Blood is probably the one that is least intriguing to me, just because I don't feel like the shades are something that I would get use out of, but really cool kind of to see how this is packaged and to look at it in person. I'm not going to swatch this at all, just because I think I may end up selling this on Poshmark or including this in a giveaway, because I know I'm not going to get use out of this. So that is kind of a bummer, but I didn't see anyone else get the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette yet that I have seen either. I've seen a lot of ABH. I've seen some Viseart, which Viseart isn't my favorite formula. And then I saw a couple people get like the Natasha Denona Blush and Glow palettes. Super jealous of those people. But yeah, I think I will probably end up passing along my Blue Blood palette. Reaching back in, I don't know how many products we will have left. Let's see if I can get past the tissue. Okay, come on. Okay, next up. Yay, I'm excited that I got this. This is from Good Molecules. It's their niacinamide brightening toner, and I have been very into niacinamide in general as a skincare ingredient, and I've actually been kind of on the hunt for a new toner. I don't currently have a toner in my collection. I have my Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner, but it's a little bit harsh for my sensitive skin this time of year. I've been looking to pick up, I'm thinking I might get the 4th Ray Beauty like Gentle Tonic Toner, but I am really excited about this. I am trying not to purchase the Pixi Glow Tonic anymore. That used to be my ride or die, but it does have a high amount of fragrance in it, and I'm just trying to steer away from products with at least a lot of fragrance in it, because that can be super irritating and damaging to the skin. I'm hoping that this doesn't have a ton of fragrance in it, but I'm really excited to give this a try. So let me show you guys what this looks like. So nice glass packaging, and it is a brightening toner, which is really exciting. It looks like it has niacinamide, vitamin C, and then it also has licorice root extract to brighten and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. I cannot wait. I will definitely be using this tonight. Cannot wait to use this product. Okay, and then it looks like, okay, so we have 2 products left. So up first we have from Danessa Myricks Beauty. This is their Dew Wet Balm, and I have never heard of this brand before, to be honest. The packaging feels a little bit cheap. I'll be curious to see what the retail value of this is. I almost don't know if I want to swatch this or not. Okay, I'm going to. Oh, that does have like a very interesting texture. So this is kind of like a dewy sort of highlight that actually looks really pretty. It almost looks like it has like a really glossy sort of wet appearance to the skin without being too like glittery or anything like that. I'm actually excited to give this a try. I think that this could look really pretty, and I have been trying to incorporate more cream products into my makeup routine, so we'll see. I could see this being a huge hit or also a huge bust, but I'm really excited to give this a try, actually. And then the last product I am super excited about, this is a makeup brush from Sonia G. So I've never tried any of Sonia G's makeup brushes before, and I'm really happy that it is an eyeshadow brush. So this is her Worker 3 brush, and this is what it looks like. I feel like this is a brush that I could get a ton of use out of. I do eventually want to invest in higher quality makeup brushes. I really like the few Smith brushes that I have. I also have a Wayne Goss brush that I like. I just kind of want to eventually replace many of my Morphe brushes. So we'll see how I feel about the Sonia G brushes, but I'm very excited to finally get to try a Sonia G brush. So really excited about this one. Overall, my box, I wish I had all the prices in front of me. I will say the 2 that were a bust for me was the Jeffree Star Blue Blood, only because that's just not a color story that I personally find myself gravitating toward, blue eyeshadow, but that's okay. I'm not too mad about that. And then the Stila Glitter and Glow set, I could have taken or left. I think I'll get some use out of a couple of shades, but other than that, I'm actually really excited about the other products in my box. Probably will continue to do a Beautylish Lucky Bag in the future. I just think it's fun and a fun way to try some new products. I love my boxy charms. I don't know, I'm just the type that, I know it's like the most ridiculous consumeristic idea that you're getting like a mystery box. You're paying $75 for a mystery box of stuff that you don't even know if you're gonna like or use, but for some reason the thrill of it just really gets to me. So I thought that, I think overall I liked this lucky bag but better than I did last year's lucky bag, or I'm more excited about some of the products from this year's lucky bag than I was last year's. So I'm really excited to give some of these products, or to put some of these products to the test. You guys will have to let me know, did you do the lucky bag this year, and what products were you excited about, or did you feel like your bag was not so lucky? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Other than that, thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.